Looking to swap one crypto for another instantly? BingX Convert is a quick and easy way to convert your crypto into another token. It supports more than 10 major cryptocurrencies, including BTC, ETH, and USDT. Here's how to use it on the BingX website and the BingX app. Log in to your BingX account. Go to Spot and click Convert. Choose an account. Select the crypto to convert. Then choose the crypto to receive. Enter the amount and click Preview. On the confirmation page, check the conversion rate. Click Proceed to confirm the swap. Log in to your BingX app. Go to Assets and tap Convert. Select Cryptocurrency. Choose an account. Select the crypto to convert and receive. Enter the amount and tap Preview. On the confirmation page, check the conversion rate. Tap Proceed to confirm the swap. For smooth, instant crypto conversions, BingX Convert has you covered.